Hey everybody, Pineapple Dam here from Niagara Tropics out here in Zone 7A, Niagara-on-the-Lake, Ontario, Canada. Just want to let you know, give you an update on how the seeds are progressing, on the windmill palms. However, we're looking at some that are actually starting to drop right now, but it's amazing. We had experienced this last year, of course. Whenever we grow seeds, we see how, they have survived a lot of the strong winter that we have. I mean, there's random volunteers that seem to be appearing pretty much everywhere you look. I don't know if the wind carried them, squirrels or what have you, but there seems to be random seedlings pretty much everywhere you go throughout the property here. So I am going to leave them. I know a lot of you like having them or what have you, but it's just unique to see how they could progress and go from there. So there is some unique aspects about this, because we do have a lot of seeds sort of emerging from different types of windmills. This one here is a hybrid tequila. It was sold to me as a tequila way back in the day, back in 2011. So thanks to you guys on the internet, you've confirmed that it really isn't a tequila, but it certainly has some characteristics that make it a hybrid. Anyhow, again, we're looking at different aspects here of random seedlings sort of falling and sprouting in various places. Here we have a sable minor that looks like it's gonna seed out. With our experience in the past, these will likely be ready by sometime mid to late December, so another few months before these flower clusters actually turn into seeds. There's some more seedlings down there. I guess birds and squirrels have dropped, but I did notice one thing. There's some crepe myrtles along the wall here, but this should captured my attention when I was cutting the grass a while back. I was looking at other areas, and of course you want to keep an eye out, but there is a random seedling here I posted on Facebook group that we do have a random one right here in the grass. I'm going to leave it there. Some of you want me to relocate it and move it, but I do have a ton of seedlings already that I don't need to save any. So we'll see what happens with this. Maybe it'll jam my lawnmower blade one day. But anyhow, there you have it for now. Thanks.